Welcome to Marycee Classic Fashion and Hairstyle, a channel dedicated to showcase latest, trendy, unique and classic fashion, be it your hairdo, your footwears, jewelry or anything connected to female fashion. Come to this channel, you'll surely enjoy it. Thanks. Witches of the day, wherever you're watching from, depending on your time and location, you're highly welcome. Please, if this is the first time of coming across this channel, kindly subscribe and switch on your notification bell so that you always be among the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Or you have been coming across this channel but have not subscribed yet. Wow! What are you waiting for? Why don't you tap on the subscription button? It's not gonna cost you a dime, but you gain a lot from this channel. Thanks. Today, unique and classy hairstyle. That's a dreadlock hairstyle. You're going to see a lot of designs in this hairstyle. Dreadlock have come to stay. You have so many styles to pack that your dreadlock that you have been thinking about. How am I going to pack it today? Just calm down and watch from beginning to the end. You'll thank me later. Thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your family and loved ones. Thanks. Bye. Enjoy.